Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Tuner XL with any Android phone or tablet. So first of all, we have to power on this device by tapping on the Bluetooth button once, and as you can see on the screen, you can find this pairing information. As you can see, there it is. So to activate the pairing, you have to click on the Bluetooth button once and you will hear this notification sound. Right now you just have to open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, click to pair new device and select JBL Tuner XL from available devices list and click pair. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.